Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm having a little trouble with my lawnmower bagger. The problem is whenever the bag gets full, it pulls the chute down. We're going to fix that today. My bagger right here, this tube, see how it moves? It needs to be held up like this. And everything's fine until the bag that you attach right here starts filling up, and then it starts pulling down. And it'll pull and pull and pull, and this will finally come apart right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these 3 points on the tractor here, right down here, and I'm going to take some of this rebar, my cutter there, my electric cutter, my welder over there in the corner, and I'm going to make me a bracket that connects these 3 points and comes over and goes under and cradles this thing so that it holds it up. Let's see what we do. That should do it. Bend it a little bit more. I like that a little better. I can cut off that much off each one of those. I'm going to go ahead and weld those two together. Put a little twist on that. Now I need to weld that right down there. Now I need to put something from here to here or here to here, I'm not sure, just to try and kind of keep it from falling over. And I think from here to here will be adequate. I have a nut and a washer here. And it's solid. I put a strap right here to make sure that that's held over that way. And that should do it. should hold that up good. Of course, we'll attach the bag and it flows back here behind it. But that should work. We'll try that out. I'll put a little green John Deere paint on it. Of course. Hey, thanks for coming along with us. We really appreciate you taking the time out of your life. Let me know what you think about this. If you've manufactured something like this, made something to work on your John Deere X304 or one of your X series mowers with this chute. Really appreciate you. God bless you. Have a great day.